everyone, this is Shivani Papnui and today's lecture topic is climate change. So first let's see what climate change is. Climate change can be described as the average change in some conditions of the earth such as temperature, rainfall or other climatic conditions. Now we have seen from the data that from the starting of time when you can say when the earth was created, there has been a lot of change in the temperature of the earth and other climatic conditions also. But it was not that fluctuating. The temperature was not that fluctuating. The climate was not that fluctuating until the industrial revolution around 1750 started. After that, because of the formation of industry and the human activities, the temperature has started to rise, and which has resulted in extreme climatic conditions also. Now let me explain you how the industrialization and how other human activities and how especially greenhouse effect, we all have heard about it, how they affect the climate change. So greenhouse effect are basically some gases that can absorb the sunlight in them. So we all know that earth has a thick layer of atmosphere. When the sunlight comes it comes inside our atmosphere, these greenhouse gases absorb them, and hence some of the sunlight is trapped inside our atmosphere. So because the quantity of these greenhouse gases are increasing these days because of many human activities and because in industrialization initially coal was used, and now also we use many different fuels that ultimately generate the greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide. So the amount of these gases is increasing, and that is why the temperature on earth is increasing. And because of the rise in temperature, the pressure differences is in different places is now increased, and which is resulting into the such extreme climatic conditions. Now what are we doing about it? We have seen that the only way now to control this climate change can be to use renewable and sustainable sources. We can use sunlight, solar energy for our different purposes such as electricity and etc. And on individual basis, you can plant more trees to decrease some amount of these greenhouse gases. And many things have been done by the government also. They are signing many resolutions about how we are going to maintain a sustainable use of energy in our country. So all these things have been done by the government, and which is very importantly because if this climate change keeps on the temperature keeps on increasing, then ultimately it will affect us only, the humans. So we need to take care of it, and hopefully we will achieve it. Thank you.
There is one issue that will define the contours of this century more dramatically than any other, and that is the threat of climate change, which is said by Barack Obama. A very good evening all of you. Today's lecture topic is climate change. So climate change is becomes very serious problems in nowadays. So firstly, to talk about climate change, we have to know about that what is climate change. Climate change is a change in environment in which including both global warming as well as the changing in weather conditions, like the changing in temperature, in the the amount of rainwater, and also in the change of agricultural and the situations which is seen in sea level, which is continuously rising. This all becomes because happens because of greenhouse house gases. Not only this, because of air pollution and the change of the drastic change of land pattern, in which for example there is for manufacturing companies, for many other companies, they are regularly continuously cut down the agricultural land to make the manufacturing companies, which heavily polluted the air pollutions as well as polluted the waters in the rivers and many things. So that will change the weather conditions, and because of that the greenhouse gases, in which mostly carbon dioxide, 90% of carbon dioxides which emitted from this, and also methane gas, which is harmful for ozone layer, and it's a great bad effect for ozone layer. And because of that many harmful rays of light from sun is in now earth, which is very harmful for not for only human but as well as the others, like other animals, other creatures, and also the plants. We can see the result on effect on that for in sea level, that regularly because of that temperature of sea level temperature of sea level, temperature of environment is regularly increasing, and because of that sea level is regular increasing because of ice melting. And it's dangerous for coastal areas, and since from 1901 to 2018 in India, there is only 0.7 degree Celsius has increases as per our climate change details. But now it's predicted that upcoming years it's increasing by 4.4 degrees Celsius, which is being very dangerous for us to handle that situation on that time.